Hello everyone. Before starting the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Hello. Welcome to my channel, Infotech. In this video, I will demonstrate how to restore or reset the UniFi network web management login credentials, if we forgot. Before we begin, it is very important to ensure that an SMTP server has already been configured for sending password reset emails. Otherwise, we will not be able to restore our forgotten password. To show you this, I have already configured an SMTP server in my UniFi network web management application. First, I will open a web browser and access the UniFi network web management interface. Go to Settings. Then, go to System. Scroll down to the Email Services section. As we can see, I have already configured a custom SMTP server, using a Gmail account, to send email notifications to the email address infotesting786@gmail.com. It is very important to configure an SMTP server in the UniFi network application. Without it, we will not be able to recover our login password. If the SMTP server is not configured, we will have to start the entire process from the beginning. This means uninstalling the current UniFi network application, reinstalling it, and performing all the required configurations again, which can be a time-consuming process. Therefore, always make sure that we have configured an SMTP server in our UniFi network application. This will ensure that we can easily recover or reset the login password whenever needed. If you don't know how to configure a custom SMTP server using a Gmail account, please watch my video on that topic. I will leave the link in the description below. Once the SMTP server has been configured in the UniFi network application, we can proceed with restoring the login password. I have already opened my Gmail inbox, and as we can see, there are currently no password reset emails. Once we initiate the password reset process, we should receive a password reset link in the inbox, and we can proceed from there. Now, let's return to the UniFi network web management interface. I will log out of the application. Now, let's proceed with resetting the login password for the UniFi network web management server. Reset UniFi network web management login password. Let's assume we have forgotten the UniFi network web management login password. Simply click the Forgot Password link. On the next page, we will see the message, "Please enter your email address to reset your password." We can clearly see why configuring an SMTP server is so important. If the SMTP server is not configured, the password reset email cannot be sent, and we will not be able to recover our password. Since I have already configured the SMTP server using a Gmail account, I will enter the same Gmail address that I configured for sending email notifications. Once we have entered the email address, click the Reset Password button. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that a password recovery email has been sent successfully. Now, let's open the Gmail inbox and check whether we have received the password reset email. Depending on the internet speed, it may take a few moments for the email to arrive. Here it is. We have successfully received the password reset email, with the subject, UI account password reset. Let's open the email. The email states that a password reset request has been received. To change the UI account password, click the Reset Password button. Let's click the Reset Password button. As soon as we click the Reset Password button, a new browser tab will open, and the UniFi network web management interface will be accessed automatically, without asking us to enter the login credentials. This happens because the password reset link securely bypasses the normal login page and takes us directly to the password reset page. However, we are not done yet. The next step is to assign a new login password. To assign a new login password, go to the Admins tab. Select the administrator account. On the Administrator Properties page, enter the new password in the Change Password field. Once we have entered the new password, click Apply Changes. That's it. We have successfully reset the UniFi Network Web Management Server's login password. Now, let's verify that the newly assigned password is working properly. Verify the new password. Now, let's verify that the newly assigned password is working correctly. To do this, I will log out of the UniFi Network Web Management interface. On the login page, I will enter the login credentials, including the username and the new password that we have just reset. In the username field, I will enter the username. In the password field, I will enter the new password that we recently assigned. Now, click the Sign In button to log into the UniFi Network Web Management interface using the new password. As we can see, we have successfully logged in to the UniFi Network Web Management interface using the newly assigned password. Meaning that the newly assigned password is working perfect. That's it. In this video, we have successfully restored or reset the UniFi Network Web Management Server login password. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Next video. In my next video, I will show you how we can block and unblock the client devices connected to the UniFi network. So, don't forget to watch the next video.